You will get a great deal on this factory certified and well-equipped black on black 2016 Dodge Charger SE. It comes with only 13,178 plus miles, and it's a Carfax one-owner vehicle, and it's Dodge certified. This Charger is very well equipped, including a power driver's seat, and it has Bluetooth, aluminum wheels, parking sensors, and MP3 player. It has keyless entry, and this one has so much more. It has a strong 3.6-liter engine that pumps out 292 horsepower, but it offers up to 31 miles per gallon on the highway. Now, this is performance and savings all rolled into one package. For even more value, this Charger offers the balance of its original factory warranty, so you get all the benefits of a certified vehicle, and that includes the warranty extensions. Come on in and check out this Dodge Charger today.
Stop into Rydell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. We're conveniently located near the 5 and 118 freeways at 700 San Fernando Road in sunny San Fernando, California.